Okay, Cindy, in the last video, we removed MJC's records from the data set. Now, in order to clean it up most efficiently, what I would recommend is after you wipe out MJC's records, or even before, we want to remove inactive records. I think steps 1 and 2 can happen interchangeably. It's just that way you don't spend time hunting and pecking for stuff that is not even active. Let me point out for you though, while we're here, see these courses right here? These are AP classes. These are non-courses. So you can see here, AP English Language. We just want to wipe those out because they don't belong in the list. But we'll get back to that. Anyway, as I told you, AK, meaning the second level of the alphabet, here is AK, right? And I said it was course status. This means the status in DataTel, whether it's active or inactive. So we're going to filter down to inactive, and that'll show us only those records that are currently inactive. And let's select row number 2. That's the first course on the list, and go down here. This is the scrolling part is the most tedious and kind of annoying, because if you mess up your keystrokes here, you've got to go back and start all over again. Okay, there's back. Sometimes it's too slow, sometimes it's too fast, but we're getting closer. I'm getting closer to my home. Okay, now I'm going to hold down my shift key again after selecting that first row. That means that I select all the rows, and I'm going to click, and that selects everything from the first, that's that second row that I selected all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to hit delete again. And so we've just wiped out all inactive records. And then I'm going to turn off the filter again and go back, because turning off the filter, well, in that case, I turned off the filter. I'm going to select it again and refilter down, just because what I want to do is filter down again. In this case, I'm going to sort by ascending. And now what I will do is start deleting those records that I know are non-courses. Delete. And let's see if I'm going to do a search. Just let's try this. Another way to do this is search for IB. Let's see if IB is Interbaccalaureate, another non-course. And let's see. It should be searching for those. And it's not showing me anything. Okay, another thing. We want to remove the CCE, which were the Columbia College Continuing Education. Now, what happened, the reason why these continuing education courses are in DataTel is that they are, at one time the district was using DataTel to offer community education classes. That is no longer the case, I believe. Actually, maybe you might want to check with Brian. But what we want to do, see the prefix for continuing education or community education or community services is the CC. It always starts with CC. Or no, CC. I think it's CCC or CCE. Pardon me. So what I'm going to do right now, thank you for putting up with me, is I'm going to filter down to begins with CCE, and I'm going to hit enter. So this shows me, that's right, it is CCE. Thank you for your patience. I'm going to select the top record because we don't need these. These are not part of our college curriculum, and I'm going to delete those. And then I will say clear filter, and that brings me back, and I'll go back and once again filter by ascending, and that brings all the records forward. So here you see the sorting of our course records alphabetically, and CLEP. Oh, now you see we have this CLEP. This is also another one. And these are ones you just start to know because they don't match the disciplines in the catalog. I'm going to wipe those out. And I'm going to see if there's others. Geography, FNR. See, oh, here's the IBs. Boom. Remember I said IB earlier? I'm going to delete those. Boom. And more. Oops. We're doing it right. I think we are mostly okay. There's a couple little twiddly ones like English 1000. See how it says English 650 prerequisite? We can delete that. And we can delete the ones with T's because like in front of T English and T Math, these are the test non-courses and transfer conversion down there. Let's delete those. And I think we're pretty close. You might find some strays in there after you deal with it, but the biggest part is that you get the lion's share of these bulk non-courses out of there, so you got a real clean data set. Okay, pausing again.